birthday to you. I have found God. Chic. Hi guys, it's Arshi. Welcome back to my channel. Back to December all the time. Yeah, so it's the last month of 2025. I don't know how this year. December की starting के time मतलब all of December is very happening. तो अभी we went to a wedding, then we came back, then my dad and me were ill. We had fever क्योंकि temperature difference बहुत ज़्यादा था. And now आज उनका बर्थडे है. वी केम बैक अ डे बिफोर येस्टरडे और हम दोनों बेड पे थे पूरे टाइम. बट आज उनका बर्थडे है, सो वील गो आउट थोड़ी हिम्मत करके बाहर डिनर पे सारी फैमिली के साथ. एंड देन विल सेलिब्रेट हिज बर्थडे. एंड देन मेरे भाई का भी बर्थडे है एक दिन बाद, सो वील सेलिब्रेट दैट ऑल्सो. देन और भी चीज़ें हैं, सो आई विल टेक यू अलोंग. सो अभी आई विल गेट रेडी फॉर. हीटर की आवाज़ आ रही है क्योंकि बहुत ठंडी लग रही है मुझे. बट अभी आई विल गेट रेडी फॉर टुनाइट. सो आई विल शो यू व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग. सो आई हैव दिस डार्क ब्लू डेनिम वॉश जीन्स, देन ब्लैक हाई नेक, एंड इसके साथ आई विल बी वेयरिंग अ लेदर जैकेट. और इसके साथ नीचे ब्लैक बूट्स आई विल वेयर. So I think it would look nice. और मुझे और ठंड लग रही होगी. Then I'll have वो scarf अगर दिख रहा हो हल्का सा, yeah, that scarf I'll take with me आगे. So I should get ready and I'll meet you after that. Yeah.
Veo en tus ojos mi vida pasar y se extraña si lo cierro. Y si mañana nos toca no estar, miro al cielo y te veo. Pero ya sé que no voy a olvidar tu perfume de febrero. Cuando la noche me venga a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleve.
And I'm ready. I did my makeup. I wore gold neck piece. Oh, I forgot ring. 1 second. जब रिंग नहीं होती है मेरे हाथ में तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है पता नहीं, दैट इज़ नॉट मी. लाइक आई हैव ग्रोन टू लाइक रिंग्स सो मच दैट इफ आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग अ रिंग आई डोंट फील लाइक इट इज़ मी. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस बट क्या पहने ये अच्छा रहेगा. मेरी फिंगर स्वेल हो गई है. जैसे कोई स्टेटमेंट पीस पे हेयर डाल देते हैं. Yeah, अब लग रहा है it's okay. This is done. I'll wear my boots. This jacket I'll show you उसके साथ कैसा लग रहा है. ये मुझे थोड़ी बड़ी है. It's I guess. This is how I usually feel. थोड़ी ज़्यादा बात वाली फील आ रही है. मतलब मेकअप बहुत हैवी हो गया है. I think I should do something with my hair, but I think उससे बहुत ज़्यादा biker I would look. My mom doesn't like if I do my hair up. क्या करे? इसको I should change my jewelry. I should change it क्योंकि ये सिल्वर है. Yeah. I need to change my jewelry. 1 second. And now I'm wearing this again. Yeah, this looks much better already. Then that it looks nice. एंड नाउ आई विल मीट यू। तो हम जा रहे होंगे बर्थडे बॉय।
कुछ स्पाइसी है क्या? क्या? हर जगह मीठी।
मांगने दो। हाँ।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई।
We are back। ये बर्थडे हो गया।
बल्ले बल्ले
का बर्थडे
मजा आ गया, आप लोगों ने करा दिया। अच्छा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
बल्ले 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 बल्ले। एंड वी आर बैक। पापा का बर्थडे हो गया और मुझे जुकाम भी हो गया, बट इट्स ओके। नाउ आई विल गेट चेंज्ड इससे, बाइकर जैकेट से, बाइकर लुक से। डिड आई शो यू माय लुक? वेट वन सेकेंड, कहाँ रखूँ? ऐसे ही दिखा दूँ क्या? वेट अ सेकेंड। ऐसे ये जैकेट, देन ये जीन्स, वन सेकेंड, जीन्स, एंड देन नाउ आई सी यू tomorrow I guess, because अब तो लेट हो गया। I have to get my medicine also जो मुझे दी गई है। So I'll take my medicines and then I'll sleep. Bye. Hi guys, today is 10th of December and I was ill yesterday, so I woke up like today feeling like there are pins in my throat and it was really painful. I still feel the hurt from it, but we have to go for lunch for my brother's birthday. वैसे बोला भी नहीं जा रहा, but did eat something like egg on toast and now I going for lunch for my brother's birthday. I've got it ready. I've got a turtleneck, sweater, blue jeans. I'll show you the outfit later. Now I need to get ready. I don't know why. It is like if I get sick once, I am sick all the time. It takes my body a lot of time to at least get better from one thing, and if I am not better from one thing and I get immediately the other thing, then that's the worst. I'm putting some serum now, but we are going to a cafe nearby for my brother's birthday. He has gone to college. He has classes today, so he'll come from there and we are going over there now. I hate being sick. Like, I like winters, but if I'm sick, I hate it because I am unable to do anything. I'm just like a dead person over there. Want to do makeup, but I think I should do some makeup. It's cold nowadays. Like, I am in my heater 24/7. What are you guys doing? इंडिया में भी daylight savings होनी चाहिए, so that I can sleep 1 more hour extra, like जैसे UK में होती है वैसे होनी चाहिए। वो अलग बात है, I am sleeping all time, but I hate being sick. It takes a lot of my energy and I am already breathless just by talking. I'll put some concealer now. Just to take it off.
वही तो यार
बोलो।
वाह ये नया आइडिया निकाल रखा है।
आप क्या करते हो?
हाँ पहले तुम अपना कर लो, फिर कर देना।
तो अभी तो मेरे को इसको सेट रखना है। लाओ आप।
मैं लाऊं ऑरेंज वाला वो?
ऑरेंज वाला तो मेरे पास है। कंसीलर लाओगी? ब्लश इससे इधर बोन पे लगाने से क्या होता है कि आपकी जो वो होती है ना कैसे ड्रूपी हो जाता है, वो नहीं होता, ऐसा लगता है कि ऊपर ही कर रहा है। Very similar. I have no courage to make it exactly same. देखो उधर कभी कटारा लग रहा है। My hair is so oily. I don't know what to do with it. And I'm done. I just did a red lip today after so long. I think winters with red lip looks really nice. But I really like how I'm looking right now. I hope I get some pictures. I don't know if I get. But I really like how I'm looking. And now I go back to December all the time. This is how I'm looking. Grey sweater, black turtleneck, black leather jacket, golden hoops, makeup, light wash jeans because it is day, and my boots. I hope I'm looking nice. Let's go.
नोट्स पे ही है भाई।
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to us.
Hi guys. I really like my makeup. I don't want to remove it, but I would have to. I have lost my voice literally. Like I don't know how I've lost it, but I have it. You can hear it. Like I'm constantly feeling like the nails in my throat and it's hurting a lot, but I need to clean my room just now and then I change also and then we'll see. Also, Chachi went to Australia abhi, so she got second this one sling bag and these creams. This is some Australian brand, I guess. I don't know. I may be wrong, I don't know, but she got it from there and I have not heard of it, so that's these two things I got from Australia. Also look at my rings. I really liked my stack of rings today. It's okay. Hi guys. I'm going to get my hair washed because घर में तो बहुत ठंड है और मेरी मम्मी को जाना है अपने बाल कराने, so I'm like मैं भी चलूँगी. So I'll go over there and get my hair washed. And I love how I'm looking right now. See? Love. हम जा रहे हैं बाल कटाने धुलाने वॉश कराने. कटाने के बाल दिखाओ अपने बाल. घूमो देखो. अरे घूमो जल्दी. मैंने भी करा लिया अपने ब्लो ड्राई और अब हम रोज आ जाते हैं हर बार बट अब चलते हैं. चलो नीचे पापा के पास. आवाज़ नहीं निकल रही मेरी, चल ही रही है बिल्कुल. इतना ज़्यादा शोर हो रहा है. अब आई एम ईटिंग, कैसे दिखाऊँ, मोमो एंड पिज़्ज़ा, और उसके अलावा साथ चॉकोलावा केक भी है मेरे पास. सो आई एम ईटिंग दैट. आई एम गोना ईट दैट नाउ फॉर माई डिनर. I'm eating corn pizza. I don't know last I ate corn pizza, but yeah, I said कि भाई बड़ा पिज़्ज़ा मत मंगा तो मेरे लिए ये वाला. Hot, but it's really good. Pizza used to be my favorite at one point of time. मैं काफ़ी लोगों का, but now I don't know. I don't crave it that much. I guess I'm over that phase of liking pizza. I'm in my दाल मखनी and naan phase. अभी तो ऐसे cheat week time चल रहा है. वो अलग बात है. I cheat all the time. I have no diet. But still ऐसे फर्स्ट को we went to the wedding, then 6th को we came back तो full सब कुछ बाहर का, then 7th को भी नॉर्मल ही घर का खाना ate, then 8th को पापा को बोला था, then बाहर, then कल, then आज 10th हो गया, कल एनिवर्सरी है तो कल फिर से एवरी डे. तो क्या हुआ? I can't form words अब. मेरे मामा को जा नहीं रहा. Like I'm eating pizza for so long. खाने दो. Now I warm it up. This is the technique I use it to warm my cake, make it like fudge like. And I'm back. I got chocolava cake. कोई पता है obviously taste test, but it's been so long that I ate it. See. अच्छा, I have found God. It's that feeling. Domino's makes the best chocolate cake. जितने भी उसके competitor हैं. I love it. And I like it warm. So I just do this. Really nice. ऐसा मेरा गला खराब है. It feels like it is warming my throat up. Now, it's done for today. I make stories from my brother who used का birthday था. उसको story डालने लग तू बना के दे. तो I'll do that and then probably have medicines and then sleep because I have nothing else to do or need to rest. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yes.
The core fam, the OGs, okay? We don't
Good morning, guys. So it's the next day and I'm having some warm water with turmeric in it because I have lost my voice. I have my breakfast also on the side, but I'll drink this first. I woke up really late today, like around 11:30. I was coughing the whole night and it was really difficult. A very bad night. I don't think I got enough sleep also, but I've lost my voice to the max. You can hear it. So I'll finish this, and then what I have to do today, I'll fill my journal today, and then I have to order some gifts, get them packed, because evening today again we have to go out. I am sick on the worst days possible. I don't know if I'm even audible, but yeah, I can't feel my throat. Like I can feel it, but I feel like it's aching a lot. My nose is blocked. Yeah. I think my mom put some aloe vera in it, which is why it was sour also. So I have my breakfast also with me. I know I shouldn't eat on bed, but my mom would scold me for it, but it's too cold outside and my body has no energy to sit outside. I'll show what I have. I have chai and poha with me. So I need this. Also I have bhujia with me. I really like it. So I'll put some of it. And उसके बाद अब let's do a taste test. अच्छा ही होता है हमेशा. वैसे I eat eggs every day. Sunny side up. But आज Thursday है. Thursday तो बाल भी नहीं धुल सकते. तभी कल धुलवाए थे. And नॉन वेज भी नहीं, मतलब नॉन वेज एग भी नहीं खा सकते. I was talking to my friend yesterday. I talked to two of them after so long, and we were like, bro, we don't even remember the last time we met. We have forgotten that it was this year also. Yeah, one I met in March, and the other I met in, she came after my birthday, June. After I don't think I've met anyone. I have to meet so many people. This year hasn't been what it was. The only thing I do all day, I think, is sleep. Or not even sleep. Just don't do anything. And I don't like it. इतनी बड़ी मिर्ची. See the size of it. I don't want to touch it with my hand this way. Because I think my hands might also have bacteria. Because I cough all the time. I have washed my hands before it. But yeah, so many mirchis this hai. I should. One. Two. I see the third one also. 3. और भी है क्या? Then लाल मिर्च है 4. See. 5. Also I'm watching right now the podcast by Ha Sisters. The Ha podcast. I like watching YouTube videos while eating. I'm not someone like I like to watch, but I like to watch YouTube videos because they end while eating. I'm like that. I don't need to look at the screen all the time, and if I'm watching a series or something, then I need to look at it. So I prefer watching YouTube videos, and if they are some eating challenges, then also I prefer, or vlog styles I like to watch. I'll catch you guys after I'm done having it.
We're making ramen.
Winters में कुछ तो hot खाने में अच्छे लगता है. So I really like. I am eating ramen after so long. I don't even remember. So hot. I am currently now going to watch that podcast which I started in the day, so I'll complete that. Yeah. नहीं
कौन सी गिफ्ट एक ही है ना 2 पैकेट है
अगर वो इंडोर होता होगा ना तो उसके सरफेस के गला सूट कर रहा होगा।
ले लो
भाई एक बार धुआं देखना इसका कितना निकल।
and we're back. It's right now I guess 11:30 and I have lost my voice, but it was a fun night. Everyone was like देखो तो पैसे लेने चाहिए फोटो खींचने के. I should have joined, but it's okay. I enjoyed and now I changed. I really liked my outfit. It is very chic. Now I'll change from this. Also, like, I don't want to remember, so I'll just not say it. But मतलब कुछ हुआ था and मेरा बहुत दिमाग खराब हुआ. But उसके बाद जिसने रो किया उसके बाद everyone was like, you are right. So it's okay. मेरी लिपस्टिक पूरी जा चुकी है भाई. I'll have to remove my makeup also. Change. This is the, like, I've made 2 purchases this year. 2 leather jackets and I have worn them and these are so good. Like, they are serving me. They have served me real good. And I'm back. I washed my face and I feel so much better. Like, this is the best feeling. The skin after removing, see. Doing skincare is so important, and it is also, I think, most important at night because that is the time when your skin actually takes rest, sleeps. You sleep, so in my opinion, then all the skincare goes into your skin much better. I might be wrong, but I just think it's that way. If it's not, feel free to correct me, but there must be psychological reason. I'm not able to speak even. I have to send pictures to every single person right now. Also, I can't breathe properly. I think I would have to mask. I am only in sleep. I am saying anything. Let's go and sleep. I'll see you tomorrow now. See you later, Shiva. ठीक है. I'll see you tomorrow now. Bye.
to reach it. Every time I think about what I've been through.